Hi, I want to show how to use the cosmodown package to build a BYU engineering thesis in R and R Markdown. I've made the cosmodown package available on my GitHub, and there will be a link in the video description below. But you can install it by running the command install GitHub with the URL from the DevTools package. After you've installed the cosmodown library, what you can do is you can open up RStudio and you can start your thesis, or start a thesis from a template by saying create project, and we'll start in a new directory. And if you scroll down and if you've installed the cosmodown package, you should see this BYU thesis using cosmodown. We'll click that and we'll say this is my thesis. This will save it in documents, create the project, and it will load up with the template. So we'll have the README page that provides some instructions on how to use Bookdown and where to find the Bookdown manuals. And then over here at the index, we have the information page, basically. So the title, the author, the committee chair and members, keywords, abstract, acknowledgements, etc. I'm going to go ahead and build this. So if you click Build, down in the Build tab, and then Build Book, what it does is it runs through R Markdown and generates both a PDF and a website. So here's the PDF. You see it has the university title page, and then the College of Engineering title page, and then the formatting from the provided BYU Engineering LaTeX class. It also generates a website, which if we come and look at in the docs folder, here's that thesis.pdf that we just created. We can also open up the index page in a web browser, and the same document is created as an interactive website. This obviously is not a requirement of making a thesis, but it might be something you would want to do. So why would you do your thesis this way? I think the key reason is because you can embed R code directly into the text of your website, or you can use the text of your thesis. So you can generate a figure, or you can do other things with it there. So if we look in this chapter 2 cross-references, you'll see, we type the document in Markdown, and we can have lists and all these other things. But the really important thing here is this code chunk, right? So we have a piece of R code that plots the pressure data set. So the pressure data set is a data set that comes with R that just has a temperature and pressure, these two variables, and we can make a plot of this in R in the standard way. Okay. Now, if you look in your docs in the PDF of your document, you'll see that Figure 1 is the figure that is created by running this code. Now, it's possible that your advisor will ask you, actually, I want this line to be red. Well, you can put in the code to make it red, and then when you rebuild the document, it takes just a minute, that line is now red. So, if you have, if your analysis has created data sets that you read in and create a figure from that's just for your thesis or something like that, you can take the code that creates those figures and embed it directly into your thesis document. So all your code and all your data and all your analysis can be in one convenient place. You can make this graphic interactive if you wanted to, and have it have the website version of this figure be an interactive figure instead of just the static one. In the website, by default, the code is actually shown. So if your thesis involves creating some kind of routine, that you want to show the code to and make that visible to your readers, it's very easy and easy to distribute it. I am mostly an R user, but the same functionality is available with Python code as well through this system. Anyways, I hope that if you find this useful, you're able to use it. And see you next time.